Hello.
Welcome to our channel. Hi, today we are drawing beautiful flowers in a vase. Ready? Let's get started. First, let's draw a simple vase. Let's draw the tulip in the middle. I start with the top with its petals and add the leaves. Nice. Then let's draw the daffodil on the left. I start with the pistil, the center of the flower. I draw the petals around it.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O.
Then the stem
with a here and a there, everywhere.
And the leaves.
Old MacDonald had a farm.
Finally, let's draw the poppy on the right. I start with the petals. I draw the stem.
Ducks, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some sheep,
Pink. Pick your favorite colors and make your flowers shine. Green. Yellow. Orange. Blue. Let your creativity bloom. Green. Have fun with your colors.
The itsy bitsy spider went up the
Yellow.
out. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider
Orange.
the spout again.
Pink.
The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out.
Purple.
Came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy
I love the tulip. What about you?
spout again.
Red. Which flower do you like the most? Yellow. Green. The tulip is dancing. Orange. Blue. Pink. Green. Yellow. Orange. Look, the daffodil and the poppy are spinning. Green. Now look at your drawing. Wow, flowers make the world so beautiful. Great job. Smile, let's take a picture. Have fun with your colors. See you next time. Keep drawing, keep learning with